My favorite TV show is CSI. It's the original CSI, the one that takes place in Las Vegas. Um, I love CSI. I love any kind of crime shows. I think that the mystery in it and it just really kind of takes you as the viewer or the audience into that different reality, and you really can, imagine what the cops and all that are doing. And I love CSI, and particularly because there's always something unexpected that's going to happen, and I think that's what really intrigued me into the show. I used to be a big fan of CSI Miami. I used to watch that all the time, and then that season kind of cut off, and then they're just now starting another season of the CSI, the regular CSI, in Las Vegas, and I love it. There's something about just each character in there is someone different, and I think in each show, the directors really did a great job of, including their, own stories as well into the actual story that's going on or crime that's taking place at the time. I love to guess who the killer might be, and then it's gonna wind up being someone else. It's just a really good show, and I think they're smart for keeping the original CSI still there, even though characters are changing and people are dying. They're killing people off per se, just so they can add another character in, or they can, branch out and try a different character. And I think it really helps them. The show there's always a different crime that happens, and I think that's what I like most about it. You're not going to see the same crime happen numerous times. I mean, the same thing that's, a rapist isn't going to happen in one episode, and the next episode is going to be about a rapist. Like, they really change it up, and I think that's why I like it so much. It's just so unexpected, and it's not predictable as some people and some cop shows are. It's really predictable who the killer is or what's going on or what's taking place, and I think that's why I like it so much. I don't think there's anything bad about CSI that I can even say. I can only say great things about it. There's not a particular character I like. I enjoy all of them. They all have different personalities and different characteristics that I like. And I think that's a great quality to have in a show, just to have different types of people in the show, just so the audience can relate to some of them. I also like how the show, they do, some that to be continued, you really are waiting for that next show because you are so into that first episode. You want to see what happens at the end, and it bugs me when I miss an episode or something like that. I have to go online and instantly find it so I can, watch it. But overall, I love the plot story of the show, and I like the characters. I think it's overall a great show. It's not cheesy or corny. To me, it's serious. I think it's for anyone who likes cop shows, mysteries, crime, stuff like that. It's a great show for them. If you're not into that, I don't think you would really enjoy CSI, but if you are, then I can assure you, you will enjoy CSI. And I mean, I haven't watched every single CSI there is. There's New York and Miami, and there's another one, but I haven't watched all of them. But I only imagine how great those are as well, just because the regular original one is so great. So I enjoy watching CSI, Crime Scene Investigation. The original one takes place in Las Vegas. Nothing but great things about it. And I really hope that by this evaluation and by just me telling you what the story is about, that you will go out and watch it yourself. And I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks.